back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to unbox my Amyla. Oh my gosh, that's horrible. And I'm here talking about my birthday and I just went completely blank. Okay, anyway, yes, I'm unboxing my I hope I say it right. Amyla? We'll find out when I open it. So next year it's going to be my 40th birthday. Whoop, whoop. And I want to do it in a big way. So I booked tickets to St. Lucia, and me and my family, we're going to go to the Caribbean and have our island on. I can't wait. And I'm going to put some braids in my hair. I've worn all different types of weave in my hair in my lifetime before I went natural. But I never did box braids. So I'm going to do knotless box braids in my hair. I'm going to do it myself. I'm not paying $1,000 or a rent note for somebody else to do it. Plus, I don't trust other people in my hair. And I know how to do hair, so all bonuses for me. So I've already had a plan in my head for since last year of how I'm going to do my hair and how I'm going to take care of it while I have the braids in. So I have a channel, one of my popular videos on my YouTube channel is my hair growth from using the Amyla products. I'm pretty sure I'm saying it wrong. If I am, I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry. And I said my hair growth, and if I remember, I'll put it in the description below the video so you can watch it. And it did grow my hair, and I think I used it for like a month and it grew a couple of inches. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to buy that same serum and I'm going to put it on my scalp and just treat my scalp as while I have the braids in my hair, because it's not only important to treat your hair while you have on braids, you have to treat your scalp too. And I still intend to wash my scalp once a week and condition it and my hair. You know, you have to do that. Don't skip. In my opinion, I wouldn't recommend that you skip just because you have on braids. Just keep the hair regimen. You just can't actually brush or comb your hair. So I was planning on buying this product next year because it's $24.99 for a bottle like this. But then on Friday, on Black Friday, I got a text, and they never text me. So kudos to marketing. It was like, oh yeah, we have a sale for $10. I was like, oh snaps, bet. So I bought the thing for $10, and I was like, you know what? Why don't I buy the conditioner? Bought. Why don't I buy the leave-in conditioner? Add to cart. And let's see, what else can I get to treat my hair? And I just went crazy. I mean, I didn't go crazy, but I just started adding to cart. So everything was like $10 each, and that was amazing because these products range from like $16 to like $25 and more for one product, and I just thought that was a great deal. So it finally came in the mail yesterday, and here it is. And I'm going to unbox it so you can see what I have. It's going to take me a minute because I have to do like the tape and stuff. So when you open it, it's like with the paper there. You move the paper, and it's like that, like that. So first off, we have, the hair and scalp oil. Very good to use. It says relieves itching and flaky scalp, moisturize scalps, and restores shine, promotes healthier hair. And it looks like that. Yeah, Amyla. I'm so saying that wrong. So all the ingredients, and that's another reason why I like this company. Now this video is not sponsored. I just like this product because I used it one time and I was satisfied with it. So I'm like, I'm going to keep using it. But hey, if you want to sponsor me, you know where to contact me. Anyway, so yeah, it's all natural, organic, and vegan that they use in their products. So I like it. And it has like all these oils in here: seed oil, grapeseed oil, fruit seed oil, olive oil, biotin, which is very good. So yes, I will not be using these products until next year when I get my braids in. So very good. Next, I have the Rosemary Mint Leave-In Conditioner. It strengthens the hair shaft, promotes intense moisture, and leaves a luminous shine. Oh my gosh, what is wrong with my words today? This is really good. So I haven't used it yet, but the idea of using this leave-in conditioner to strengthen my hair shaft, which is very important, because I always, when I do my protective styles on my natural hair, I mainly use twists than braids, because twists are more forgiving to the hair, and I feel that braids are a little bit more intense. So whatever I feel like I can do to ease the tension on my scalp, my hair shaft, and my hair all at the same time, I'm all for it, and I want to try to promote that. So very good. And the fact that it's mint, it means that you're going to get that tingle feeling, so it's good. And it's going to smell good. Next, I have the Rosemary Mint Conditioner. This delivers amazing shine, instantly softens and detangles for stronger, fuller, thicker hair, which is this. And it's like that. And for $10, I'm okay with the size. It's a nice size. But this is a conditioner. This is an okay size for when I have braids in my hair. But as far as okay size for my regular hair, this is not enough product for a conditioner. Not for me. Because I need something that's twice as big as this for me to detangle my hair and for it to be properly used over a good amount of length of time. But just for my braids and just a little bit part of my hair, I'm okay with this. Would I buy this again for my hair? No. I need more product. This is not enough product for the price range. So I think the original cost of this, don't quote me, is, I think it's like $20-some maybe. Compared to my Aussie Moist, which I paid like $6, and it's double the size of this. So for my braids, yes. Cool. Now I did not buy the shampoo because I haven't been having a lot of good luck with different shampoos out there with other products besides like one or two. And Cream of Nature, yeah, Cream of Nature is like my go-to shampoo that I always use and it always does right by me. So I'm going to continue to use that and just use these other products to put it in there. I don't usually like to mix families, but I mix families when I have to. And let me repeat that. I didn't used to like mixed families, but now I do because I have to listen to my hair once. So I don't use all the same products. So my shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner are all different families, from different families. So I do mix products. I do mix families. Last but not least is what I had used on my video. It's awesome. Actually, I think when I first used this product, I think they sent me this because they said like, oh, you want to try this product? If you buy one, you get one free, stuff like that. I'm like, okay, that's cool. So here is the hair growth serum. This is what I used on my hair on my other video, and it does work. It worked for me at least. So, oh my gosh. Oh, my nails are so brittle. I'm trying to open this. You know, when we see like unboxing videos, they make it look so easy. Like, oh yeah, here we go. It's just all this plastic on here. And then a second later, pop, it's open. Like, does that really happen in real life? You see me up here struggling. Like, pieces of it just keeps falling off. Oh my gosh. I think okay, wait a minute. I think I'm getting it. Wait a minute. It's stuck to it? Ah! Oh, okay, this is not good. Maybe if I go on the side. Oh my gosh, it's tripping my nails. My nails are so brittle. Oh. I try to find some like nail strengthener for my nails, It does the opposite of what it's supposed to do. And I don't want to, what kind of plastic? Look at this. It's like the plastic is like sticking to this box like some type of adhesive. Oh my gosh, and it's coming off in little pieces. I can't do this. This is driving me crazy. I don't want to mess up the box because it's so cute. But I'm gonna have to. I just have to rip it open. Okay. Finally. There we go. That's what I remember. So this, oh, and it smells so good. I'm not really big on smells. If it smells good, it's just a bonus. But the ingredients is coconut oil, carrot oil, argan oil, macadamia nut oil, jojoba oil, which is very important because I always want to use jojoba oil. I'm too cheap. I cannot spend like $20. Oh, that's my children. I thought that was someone at the door. You know when someone's that come at your door, you don't expect it, you like immediately on alert and like, okay, what I need to use to defend myself and my children if somebody's at the door. Because immediately if somebody's at the door, my children know, like, run to their bedroom and close the door and don't come out until mommy daddy says come out. My mom and then my daughter's like, oh, and find a weapon? I was like, yeah, you can find a weapon, but just stay in your room and protect your brother. She's like, okay. Anywho. Okay, so yeah. It's so expensive. Like jojoba can come in like a bottle that's even be smaller than this. I have seen smaller than this and it's like $15-$20 and more. I can't do that. And it has tea tree oil, almond oil, vitamin E, yes, and organic peppermint and biotin. All great things in one little product to make your hair grow. I stand by this. Again, I am not sponsored by this company. I have used this product and it does work. It does make your hair grow. So I think you can get it online for like $15.99 now. That's what I saw last week. Don't quote me on that. It might be a little bit more, but it is worth it because this has all the great ingredients that you need, and they use only organic and vegan products, and it does work. So I cannot wait to use this. I will use it while I'm getting my braids in now. Why am I using all these things while having my braids? Because like your hair sheds every day, and I know when I take down my braids, like when I put my braids in, I'm going to be feeling myself. I know it. I'm going to be all over myself. Nobody's going to tell me what to do because I'm going to have on my braids and it's going to be so cute and you're not going to tell me anything. But when I take it down, I know I'm going to dread it because I know I'm going to see the tub full of hair of what has not came out, because your hair sheds every day and you have to get out that unneeded hair. I'm not going to say dead hair, but the hair that sheds out, it has to come out. And because it's going to be in there for like a month, I think I'm going to have my braids in for like a month. If it's more than a month, it'll probably be like a month and a week, but no longer than that because I'm probably going to miss my hair already. And I'm just going to want to get my hair back and put my hands in my hair. You know, my husband wants to try dreads. And I'm like, it came across my mind like once or twice to do dreads in my hair, but I was like, no. I like to brush my hair. I like to comb it. I like to like play in it and do. I mean, you could do different styles with dreads, but I don't think it's for me. I like to do too much stuff to my hair. I just like it. I like doing hair. Okay, so yeah, enough of me droning on. That's my unboxing video of my products that I'm going to use next year. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and push the notification button. That way you know the next time I upload a video, which is every week. Until next time, bye.